Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the workloads you need, and a Microsoft sign in so settings sync. Once done, open File, New Project, pick the template that fits your app. Make sure to set a clear name and location. This keeps your workspace tidy. You'll also select the target framework and solution options now because choosing them later can be extra work. This gets you into the IDE fast and with the right foundations, so you can write code immediately. Next, you organize and configure. Use Solution Explorer to add files, set the startup project, and confirm project references. Then manage NuGet packages and check launch profiles. This controls runtime behavior. As you code, rely on IntelliSense and refactoring shortcuts to write faster. You'll save time and reduce errors. When behavior is unclear, run the built-in debugger with breakpoints and watch Windows to inspect variables. Once you see the app running locally, you're ready to finalize settings and prepare a build. Finally, build and validate. Choose Build, Rebuild Solution, then resolve any errors or warnings you find. After that, run unit tests in Test Explorer. Use live unit testing if available to catch regressions as you code. When tests pass, use the Publish wizard to create a deployment or hook up a CI pipeline for automatic builds. If deployment fails, check output logs and configuration. Mismatched frameworks, missing NuGet packages, or incorrect connection strings are common issues to verify first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.